What's up, y'all? So today we're going to be talking about what is an HOA. An HOA stands for Homeowners Association. It is a private association that creates rules for a neighborhood. There are annual dues, or sometimes they're quarterly or monthly dues that you have to pay to the association. And basically, their job is to enforce the rules and make sure that your grass is cut, to make sure that you don't paint your house pink or whatever color is, not allowed in that neighborhood. Is to make sure that the neighborhood and the houses in that neighborhood look uniform and generally have a clean appearance, right? On top of that, they're not only there to enforce rules, but they are also there to provide some sort of benefit. So oftentimes an HOA will cover the landscaping fees at the entrance of the neighborhood. Oftentimes also there will be a community pool or community parks within that neighborhood, which the HOA provides for and pays to maintain. So there are some benefits to having an HOA. Now, the cons to having an HOA is if you don't follow these rules and if you don't pay the dues and the fees that come from breaking the rules, then the HOA could put a lien on your property and cause you to foreclose on that property. So very important to know what the rules are, to make sure you're paying your dues, and that will keep you from having your property foreclosed on. So some people, though, will elect to look for properties that are not in an HOA, and they have their own reasons for doing that. It might be because they don't want to pay the dues. It might be because they want to just be able to do whatever they want with their property. For example, someone might want to paint their house pink, and that's not allowed in a neighborhood where all the houses look the same. So this type of person who wants to paint their house pink will elect to search neighborhoods that are not part of an HOA. Hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, give it a like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.